So we're going to do two-step. And then what if we get like this? 3x plus x is equal to 16. So we get 3x plus x is equal to 16. Now ask yourself, what is 3x plus x? If you said that 3x plus x is equal to 3x squared, you're wrong. Okay, this is bad. Okay, so if you said this, you're wrong. Or if you said, and you're sitting at home and saying, oh, I didn't say that, I said this, because I know there's a 1 in front of there, you could be more wronger, if that's a word. But yes, you're wrong, 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 wrong. When I add x's, I don't touch the exponents. When I go say to you, go in the parking lot and tell me how many cars are in the parking lot, you don't say, well, there's 55 cars squared. You don't say that. It doesn't make sense. If I say how many students are in your class, you don't say that there's 35 students squared. No, it's the same idea with this. So when I ask you what 3x plus x is, we're not saying 4x squared or 3x squared. Those are bad. Those are wrong. What we're saying is 4x equals. So we get 3x plus x is equal to 4x. You're right, there is a 1 in there, so that we have 3x plus 1x is 4x. That equals 16. Okay? We want to make sure that we see that. That's why I pointed out early. You want to make that mistake later on. So be careful not to touch the exponents, and we'll definitely be touching exponents, but not today. So we get this, and now it becomes our one-step equation. We have 4 times x, so we're going to divide out the 4, and we get x is equal to 4. Of course, you want to check. And we always check in the original. So we're going to say that 3 times 4 plus 4, is that equal to 16? Let's see. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 4 is 16 and equals 16. And yes, it works. Okay? So again, be careful with that thing with the exponents.